What an exciting video this is going to be. We're announcing the creation of the Vancouver Island Manufacturing Excellence Alliance, short form VIMEA, and I'm here with two of the co-founders, Brougham from Rainhouse Manufacturing, and Anders Nielson, a manufacturing consultant. Good afternoon to both of you.
Good afternoon,
John.
Yeah.
Well, this is really exciting. At a recent industry networking gathering in Victoria, you folks announced this consortium. It was extraordinarily well received. Why don't we let the rest of the world know about it now and tell me why you formed it and what is it all about?
Sure. I mean, I've had the idea for a while, starting out with wanting, to create solid manufacturing on Vancouver Island, especially with the view of creating great jobs for young people so that they can stay here and build their careers and family. I think with the current trading situation, tariffs and so forth, it's taken on more urgency to build the resilience and the creativity in companies to deal with these new issues.
One of the interesting questions that was brought up at the meeting last week, you both all attended, was that there are numerous solutions to trying to deal with this tariff war. And one of them was that to increase the efficiency of one's own manufacturing company. And so look internally. And I think, is that not also one of the goals of the consortium?
Absolutely. Yeah, and I think it's important to note that we intend to transform the Vancouver Island industrial base, or commercial base, to be. This association has got to be driven by industry and powered by collaborators and free of unnecessary barriers. And we talked a lot about that in the SBC meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Is I mean, first we got to get together and form a core group of dedicated companies that are very interested in this and are going to contribute. That's going to help us, make a framework that we can work from.
Yes.
Once we have that framework and a little bit of traction, I think we got to boldly advocate for streamlined and practical support from government, insisting on reduction of red tape and targeted initiatives that actually help, not hinder, the growth of industry. And then finally, to make a whole ecosystem, I think we need academia there. But I think I've been involved with academic pursuits before, and they're really geared towards academia. We have to focus this on what industry needs to do what. It's what are we trying to do here is we're trying to improve our productivity so that we improve the GDP of the country as a whole. And that's what SMEs can do, right? We can pivot, we can do all kinds of things in a fairly quick way. And but we do need support, because to do this in isolation, well, I've been trying to do that for years, and it's really hard.
Well, this is very exciting, very innovative, and courageous. And we're going to meet these goals that you've outlined, and we're going to create and help create one of, if not already, the best manufacturing sectors in the world. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, how do folks get a hold of you, please?
Yeah, just we'll flash up an email address. It'll be my personal email address. Happy to take all expressions of interest and questions. I think that'll be primarily how we do it. Happy to connect on LinkedIn as well. It's a good platform.
Yes.
For quick chats.
And Ray, I'm going to put your email address up there as well, so folks can, primarily in these early stages, you need to have one-on-one conversations with companies, and you have to review scope and review objective and make sure they fit. And so I think we're looking for companies that would like to have that conversation, right?
Correct.
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. Gentlemen, thank you very much for this. We're going to have another update, maybe a month from now, maybe sooner, maybe a bit later. And we will discuss how VIMEA is doing. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, John. Thanks for having us on.